Introducing our interactive dog ball with 6 clutch pockets. Specially designed for playtime with large dogs weighing over 40 pounds. This engaging toy not only makes fetching easy, but also helps combat boredom, reduces destructive behavior, and provides enduring entertainment both indoors and outdoors. Crafted from premium vinyl with no odor, the Wiggle Waggle ball prioritizes your pet's safety, adhering to the same standards as children's toy manufacturing, ensuring a stronger and safer play experience. The innovative design of the dog toy wobble ball features an internal tube noisemaker, eliminating the need for batteries. As the giggle ball rolls around, the enticing "play with me" sounds captivate your doggy, making playtime even more enjoyable by tapping into your dog's natural curiosity and play instincts. The wobble ball serves as an excellent tool for play, chase, and training. It helps alleviate boredom, depression, loneliness, overweight issues, excessive barking, and destructive behavior, keeping your pup active and entertained throughout the day while providing essential exercise. Measuring 5 inches 14 centimeters. This wobble ball is ideal for large dogs over 40 pounds and is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It also makes for a fantastic dog birthday gift choice. We stand by the quality of our product with the Daikyuta promise. If the giggle ball is damaged within 2 months, we offer a free replacement. Your satisfaction is our priority, and if your dog manages to destroy the ball, we'll either refund your money or send you a new one at no cost. That's the Daikyuta guarantee.